In this video, we'll talk about swim lanes. You can get to swim lanes by clicking the swim lanes icon on the sidebar. Agile swim lanes provide an overview of record counts categorized by various parameters such as owner, priority, type, sprints, or releases for a selected time period. With Agile swim lanes, navigating project complexities becomes more manageable. Harness the power of swim lanes to optimize your project management process and achieve your goals with greater efficiency and clarity. Upon selection of owner, the page loads with the list of record owners on the left panel. Each row represents an owner and record data. A specific owner can be searched by entering the username in the search bar. The owner list can be sorted alphabetically. We can pin owners by selecting the pin button next to the owner's name. Pinned names will appear on top of the list. The columns will show the data for the selected aggregations. Selecting state and view by priority. There are 3 aggregations: states, sprints, and releases. When state is selected, the columns will be based on different states like active, backlog, etc. When a sprint is selected, the columns will show the sprint names. Similarly, when release is selected, the columns will show the release names. The column data shows the total count of records based on the selections made by the user in View By and Records. User can choose to view by priority, severity, type, or story points, and record selections for the type of record. If priority is selected, the user will view the total count of records in each priority category. Similarly, severity will display the count based on severity of the record. Type displays the total count of the work items in each type like task, defect, story, epic, etc. Story points display the total story points of selected record type in each state. The legends are displayed at the bottom of the page so that the user understands what each icon represents. The data can be filtered by projects, releases, sprints, and type of work item. Data can be viewed for only one project at a time. Clicking on any particular data, one can see the side panel listing that group of records. Clicking on the ID opens the record details. The user can also see other details like the type of record, title, and assigned to. Here, the user can see the details like priority, state, owner of the record, type of the record, and title. Priority displays the data based on 3 priority categories: high, medium, and low. The rows represent the priority. The columns will show the data for the selected aggregations. If state is selected, it shows the different states for a record. If sprint is selected, the table displays the sprints. The data can be filtered by projects, type, and state of the work item. When you click on type, the table displays the record count under each type. Each row represents a type. The leftmost column of the table shows the type. User can search a specific type using the search bar. Type can be sorted alphabetically. The columns are based on the aggregation, timeline, view by, and record selection. Data can be filtered by projects and state. The parameters vary based on the aggregations selected. For states, the filters are projects, releases, sprints, and owner. Sprints contains the list of sprints. Users can search a specific sprint using the search bar. Sprints can be sorted by newest to oldest and oldest to newest. The columns are based on the aggregations, timeline, view by, and record selection. Data can be filtered by projects, type, and state. A user can view the list of releases by clicking on Releases. The leftmost column shows the list of releases. Users can search a specific release using the search bar. Releases can be sorted by newest to oldest and vice versa. The columns are based on aggregations, timeline, view by, and record selection. Data can be filtered by projects, type, and state. The described feature is consistent across various business processes. However, the specific names of states and fields may vary depending on the type of records involved in the schema. Thank you.